Hello, I'm Dario with 4seating.com, and today we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a home theater seat backrest. There's no tools necessary. It's a quick, simple process, so we'll get started. First, let's remove the skirt by just removing the Velcro, pushing that straight up, and then we're going to pull up on this tab right here, and that's going to release. So we gently pull out, then up, and repeat this process on the other side. Once you've done that, backrest comes straight back up and over. Now, to reinstall, we're just going to repeat the process. We're going to get the backrest, pull it up, align both sides, make sure it goes onto the ramps, push down, adjusting the skirt here, and that just Velcros right on. All right, and we're actually done. So, if you have any further questions, please visit us at 4seating.com. Thank you so much for being with us today.